What's the difference between compounded GLP-1s or Ozempic or brand? Well, that's a good question, and a lot of people wonder about the quality. So I'll explain there's two differences between brand GLP-1s and compounded. Mostly it's the cost. The brand are more expensive, and the compounded pharmacy, so long as you use a quality compounding pharmacy, the quality is about the same. However, it is delivered in a different fashion. Brand medication is delivered in a little bit of a pen. The medicine is already loaded, and all you have to do is push a button, and you put it on your side or your belly or your leg, wherever, and you just press a button and it injects it. The compounded pharmacies, it comes in syringes. And so you take a little syringe and you have to actually push the syringe. So this is a starting dose, 0.25 cc's of semaglutide. And we start that once a week for 4 weeks. And you clean the skin with an alcohol swab and you just push this plunger, tiny, tiny little. If you get good results, you stay on this. If you want to go higher, you go to 0.5 cc's. The next dose is 0.75 cc's, and there's a 1 cc dose. You can even higher, 1.5 or 2 cc's. And this is how we go in a sequential fashion. Why do we go in a sequential fashion? Because sometimes there are side effects, and we want to give the least amount of medicine for the results. So some people do great on 0.5 cc's, some people do great on 0.25 cc's. So we don't want to give somebody too much medicine. But the take-home message is that the quality is, as long as the compounding pharmacy is a quality one, and we use a quality one, the results are just as good as far as the medicine. The delivery mechanism is slightly more cumbersome because you have to actually push the lever versus the auto injector, but it's usually not worth the extra $500, $600, $700. So hopefully that explains the difference between compounded and brand GLP-1s.